If you're looking for a quick and effective way to rewrite old blog posts, using AI rephrasing tools can save you a ton of time and effort. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rewrite your blog content with the help of AI rephrasing tools, step by step, and I'll even share an exclusive free trial link for the software we'll be using today. Stick around until the end, and I'll give you a key takeaway to help you use AI tools to their full potential. First, let's start by choosing the right software. After testing several popular AI rephrasing tools, I found that this particular software does a great job of rewording content while keeping the original meaning intact. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly. The free trial I'm offering in the description below is exclusive to my channel, so if you want to follow along, definitely check it out. Now, let's dive into the process of rewriting old blog posts. First, grab the content that you want to rewrite. Make sure it's in a text format and try to choose an article that could benefit from some fresh wording. AI rephrasing tools work best when you have a solid base to start from. Next, open up the software and paste your blog content into the tool. Most AI rephrasing tools will automatically analyze the text and give you different options for rewriting it. What I like about this software is that it offers several modes of rephrasing, ranging from simple changes to more complex rewrites. You can select the level of variation you want, depending on how much you want the content to be changed. Once the tool presents you with rephrased text, you'll want to review the output carefully. AI tools aren't perfect, and while they do a great job at rephrasing, there may be occasional sentences that don't make as much sense or need a bit more tweaking. This is where your human touch comes in. You can manually adjust the rephrased content to ensure it flows well and stays on brand. After that, it's time to paste the new content back into your blog. But don't forget to double-check the structure, readability, and SEO optimization. Rewriting old blog posts is a great opportunity to improve both content quality and SEO rankings. Use headers, bullet points, and include relevant keywords to help the blog rank better on search engines. One important thing to keep in mind is that while AI can help you rewrite blog posts faster, it doesn't replace the need for strategy. Make sure the new content is still relevant to your audience and serves their needs. You don't want to just rewrite for the sake of rewriting. Now, before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Using AI rephrasing tools can drastically speed up the process of updating and improving old blog posts. Just remember to review the output, make small adjustments, and optimize for SEO. To summarize, choose a reliable AI rephrasing tool, paste your old blog post into the software, review and adjust the rephrased content, and finally, make sure to optimize it for SEO. This can be a real game changer for saving time while keeping your content fresh and relevant. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to my viewers, so make sure to take advantage of it and follow along with this process.